Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and set up Node.js on your Mac. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open my Safari browser and then I will open, for example, google.com and then search for Node.js. So search for Node.js and the first link most probably which will appear here will be from nodejs.org. So just click the website which says nodejs.org, and here you will be able to see two versions. One is LTS. LTS stands for long-term version, and other is the latest version. So one we want to download right now is the LTS version, because it's supported for the long term, right? So long term stable version, right? So I'm going to just download the LTS version. In your case it can be different, right? So let me download it. So now my download is complete, so I'm going to go to my folder, downloads folder, and there I can see this Node.js version 6.10.0 package. So I'm going to double click on it, and this is going to start this kind of wizard. So it's really easy to follow this wizard. So once this wizard is open, you just need to click continue here and then read the license terms and conditions, and if you agree with those license terms and condition, then just click continue. So let me click continue once again, and then it says to continue installing the software you must agree to the license. So just say agree, and in the next step just select install for all user of this computer and then click continue, and then once again click install, which is going to start installing your Node.js on your Mac. In between you just need to give your password for your computer here to authenticate for the installation, and once this is done the installation process will start and it will be soon completed. So the installation process of Node.js is completed now, and you can see the location where Node.js is installed. So the location where Node.js is installed is user local bin node for Node.js, and this comes with npm also, which stands for Node Package Manager, which is really important with Node.js. Whenever you develop your Node applications, you need to have this npm package manager, right? So these are the location. If you want to note them, just note them, otherwise just close this window here and then open your terminal, right? So how you can open the terminal? If you see the terminal here, you can open the terminal from this bar from here. Otherwise, if you don't find this terminal here, then go to the finder. So just open the finder, and in the finder go to applications, and in the application just search for terminal. So I'm going to just search for terminal, and I can see this terminal here. So just double click on in this terminal and it's going to open the terminal, right? So once the terminal is open, we are going to check whether Node.js is installed and which version of Node.js is installed. So just type node -v here and then press enter, and it's going to show the version of Node which is installed, and in our case we have installed the version 6.10.0. It can be different in your case. And now we will see the version of Node Package Manager, which is npm. So just type npm -v, and it's also going to give you the version of npm, which is 3.10.10 in my case. Once both versions are verified, you just see these numbers here, then you just need to type node here and then press enter, and you are in the node terminal. So for example, I want to print something, so I can just write console.log, and then in the parentheses and in the single quotes I can just say hello world, and then the semicolon, and then press enter, and you can see hello world is printed here, and after that undefined, right? So this shows that Node.js is installed on your system and it's working fine, right? So in this way you can download and install Node.js on your Mac. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.